In this program on fire hose basics, we've presented information you need to know about fire hose and fire hose hardware. We have shown basic information about fire hose, how to maintain fire hose, common hose couplings,
Water to you.
common hose appliances and tools, and 2 hose roll methods. Every firefighter needs to understand the basics of how to use and care for fire hose. Even with all the new high-tech tools and equipment that we use in the fire service, fire hose is still our most needed item. It is used in every department, everywhere. As far as firefighting tools are concerned, fire hose is truly one of the essentials of doing our job.